I am now opening my BFF present. Let's see what it is.
Who's your BFF?
Miwa and Misa.
Miwa and Misa. Open?
Yeah.
Oh my. You know.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Where's the video?
I don't know.
Oh,
Ooh, you love Tinkerbell, huh?
Thank you so much. Hey, how did you know I wanted this for my birthday?
Because you like fairies.
Huh?
Palm. How do you? Okay. Open this. Oh my.
Oh my. Tickle. Hi. This.
Cute.
Huh?
Alina. Can I have this one?
I don't know. This.
Okay. There's also one more thingamajiggy in here.
And
It's more pictures.
yeah.
Oh, cute. Oh, there's also one more thingy.
Ow.
Sorry, you got a container. Oh, what is it?
Just things.
Oh yeah, by the way, can I have your manicure set? Okay, thank you so much, Mrs. Akata, for picking us up, and I can't wait to see you guys, all of you guys, again in America this summer. Bye.
Bye.
Can I please have this?
No.
You don't even know how to put on nail polish, do you?
Huh?
Oh my God, there's a glittery one.
What? Thank you, Misa. I love you so much.
That's just.
Bye-bye.